If your Fire TV Stick 4K keeps restarting constantly, you are not alone. This is a super frustrating issue that can ruin your streaming experience. TechVibes is here to help you fix this annoying boot loop right now. If you follow these exact steps, your device should be running perfectly by the end of this video. Let us get straight into the fixes. Step 1 is to check your power cable. A damaged or faulty micro USB cable is the most common reason a Fire Stick constantly restarts. Go ahead and swap out the original cable for another micro USB cable from around your house. Using a fresh, undamaged cable will immediately fix the problem for most of you. Step 2 is to change your power source. Many people plug the power cable directly into the USB port on the back of their television. Most TV ports do not provide enough power, which causes the device to crash. Grab a wall adapter, plug the USB cable into it, and connect it directly to a wall outlet for stable power. Step 3 is to try a different USB port on your television if you cannot reach a wall outlet. Sometimes a specific port on your TV is failing or supplying unstable power. Unplug your cable from the current slot and push it firmly into a different USB port on the back of your TV to see if the restarting stops. Step 4 is to switch your HDMI port. The issue might not be power at all, but rather a faulty connection with your display. Pull your Fire Stick out of the current port and plug it into an alternative HDMI port on your television. This resets the hardware handshake and often stops the constant rebooting cycles. Step 5 is to ensure your device is completely clean and securely connected. Dust can build up inside the power port and the HDMI port over time. Unplug every single cord, blow out any dust, and push the connections back in firmly. A loose connection can easily cause sudden power drops and immediate restarts. To make sure all your streaming apps run smoothly and securely once your device is fixed, you should use a VPN. We highly recommend using NordVPN on your device. It protects your privacy, prevents buffering, and secures your connection. You can find the NordVPN installation link mentioned in the description and comments below. If these tips helped your Fire Stick stop restarting, make sure to hit subscribe to TechVibes. Turn on notifications so you never miss our fast and practical tech fixes. Leave a comment below letting us know which step worked for you. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.